Hello good people, it's me Kumaitila, your money manager. Today I am so excited. I'm excited to let you know that we are finally done with our 6th block of 3 studio apartments. Remember, we're on our pursuit to financial freedom and we are using studio apartments to achieve that. So in today's video, I just want to take you through the outstanding material list. And that is, I'm going to show you the doors that we have used, how much we spent towards the doors, being the installation of the doors as well as the material. I'm also going to take you through the tiling, what types of tiles we have used and how much we spent towards the tiles, being the tiling material as well as the labor for putting the tiles in place. I'm also going to take you through the windows, what types of windows we have used. Windows, this is going to be our window frames as well as the cost for putting the glasses on the windows. I think this is really what I have not shared with you, and this will wrap up our bill of quantities for this blog. Finally, we'll be able to close this blog completely and move on to the next project, which I am going to announce. I will announce what our next project is going to be. Obviously, I'm still looking at this and just trying to do the costing and the budgeting for the next blog or whatever the project that I'll be doing after this. Remember, everything that we're doing this year is really aimed towards getting us to our financial freedom number, and that financial freedom number still stands at 30,000. I'm more likely to revise it down depending on some of the decisions that I'm more likely to make. So let me just take you through it. Let's get into it and let's not waste each other's time. Our external doors, we use Ma1 solid doors, each at 1,215. That's 3,647 pula for 3 doors. Then our external locks, each was going at 263 pula 25. 3 of them, that's a total of 789 pula 75. And our internal doors, you see them there. Our internal doors, each was 407 pula 75. 3 of them, that's a total of 1,223 pula 25. And then our internal locks there, each at 96 pula, 3 of them, that's 288. Moving right along to our windows, that's our front windows there. We got the window frames without the buckler bars. We made the buckler bars at home. This was just a way of trying to control our cost. That's our window for our bathroom. We also got the window frames without the buckler bars, and we do have a minor defect there. We're missing the hook for the window handle. However, we'll get this one fixed, just a minor problem. We get it fixed before our tenant can move in. So, and then we're moving right along to our last windows. This is our back windows. The windows just right by the kitchenette there. These ones we were very lucky to get the window frames with the buckler bars, and these ones are very they're quite expensive. Like I said, we had to control our cost, and so our total material cost and labor for all these, the windows, the doors, the locks, the buckler bars, and the glassing, it came in at a total of 16,409 pula 92 thebe. Moving right along to tiling. So for the wall tiles, I don't have the total cost because I was using the leftovers from the previous blog. And yeah, so let's go to the floor tiles. Floor tiles, we use the ivory ceramic tiles. We got 24 of them for the 3 units. And then the total cost for that was 4,698. And then all the other accessories, this is your grout, your adhesive, your bonding liquid, as well as the tile spacers. They came in at a total of, or let me just show you the figure, at a total of 2,564 pula 75 thebe. So as you can see, even in the bathrooms, you can see that we've tiled the walls. These were also leftovers from the previous block that we have used for our bathroom. So our total tiling material as well as the labor, it came in at 13,862 pula 85, and this is really summing up the total cost of everything that was left, everything that I didn't share with you. So there you have it, guys. I've really tried my best to extensively share with you the bill of quantities for this blog, obviously with the intention of helping you if you are intending to do the same thing. So those are our 3 units. You can see 1 unit is already occupied. I mean, like, this tenant was really forcing to get into the unit. There you have it, guys. Our blog is fully completed as you've seen it, and I'm gonna end this video here, but I would like to say thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to leave a comment and a like for me. I will see you in another video. Thank you so much.